Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So, how are you all? Good.
Fine.
Let us start with the topic. Next topic. I've done with you novel and short story, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will start with the next topic, that is plot. Okay, so what is plot? Plot. It is the arrangement of events in a sequence in a literary work. Story, novel, or drama. Correct? So, what is known as plot? Plot is the arrangement of events in a sequence in a literary work. It can be story, novel, or drama. Now, the plot can be simple or complex. Okay? Any literary work can double plot and even subplots too. Is it clear? Now, it is different from the original novel, story, and drama. Is it clear? You have to understand the difference. When you are reading a novel, when you are reading a drama, when you are reading a short story, okay, you can find the story of the novel and drama, okay, but it's different from that. Plot is different from that. Plot means, if I say you, when you read a novel or drama or a short story, after that, suppose you are asked to write a summary. You write the summary not the way the story or novel or drama started. You write the summary the way the story of that novel or drama or that story should have started from beginning to end. Correct? Hello? Am I understandable? Hello, am I understandable? I'm
Yes, ma'am.
asking.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So, when you write a summary, you don't write the. Suppose you went to see a film, you will not tell the film the way film started and the way film ended. You will tell the story the way it starts from childhood or the adult age or the old age. Got the point? So it is in a sequence. The plot is arrangement of events in a sequence in a literary work. Okay, so the story may, when you want to watch a movie, the story may start in the middle, may start from the marriage of the hero or heroine, but you will start with childhood if childhood is shown in the film. Okay, so that is known as plot. Now, any literary work can have simple or complex plot. Okay, simple plot means which is not difficult to understand, complex means which is difficult to understand. Okay, then a literary work can have double plot. Okay, in one novel or drama or story you can have two families story. Okay, so it can have double plot, it can even have subplots. Subplots means within the story there can be one another story. Okay, so that is known as subplot. Is it clear? This much is clear to you? Hello, have you noted
Yes,
down this
ma'am.
much? Okay, if a literary work has simple plot, it's easy to understand. Correct? But if the plot is complex or if the work has double plot or subplot, it's difficult to. Now if work is having a simple plot, it becomes easy to understand. Correct? If it has double plot or subplot, it has complex plot, it is difficult to understand. Okay, so plot plays an important role in understanding the literary work. Sorry, where I went. So it is difficult to understand. Is it clear? The plot plays an important role in understanding of the work. Is it clear? So your plot plays an important role in understanding of the work. Okay, it is also closely connected to characters of that work. Is it clear? Hello, is it clear or not? You have written this much. Should I erase this part? This much you have understood or you need any explanation? You have watched the movie Hum Aapke Hain Kaun? All of you have watched that movie? और बागवान और हम साथ साथ हैं. Anybody has watched these movies? Yes. All of you have watched that movie. If you see that movie Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, it is story of one family, correct? Two families, I mean, that is one of professor's family and then the professor's friend family where Salman Khan and his brother is there, correct? Hello, am I audible? You are listening? So in that
Yes.
movie, that servant is also shown, no? Servant and the servant's lover, Chameli, correct? So that is subplot. Now the story ends with that death of Renuka Shane, and then when he returns, we come to know that that servant's sister-in-law has recovered and Renuka Shane has died. Correct? So subplot means what you understood. What is subplot? One story, within that story, the another story is running. Is it clear? It can be a full-fledged story even, it can be a small story. Should I erase this? All of you have written this much?
Yes.
So there can be a plot, there can be a double plot as well. Suppose you read a novel. The novel talks about two families, one is in India and one is in America. So then there is a double plot. Is it clear? What is double plot? Understood or not? Okay, when you read a drama, in drama also there can be subplot or double plot. Okay? The plot of the literary work creates tragic or comic effect. Okay, so whether the film is comic or tragic depends on the plot of the film. Similarly, whether the novel is tragic, whether the drama is tragic or comic depends. Whether it is a comedy or it is a tragedy depends on plot. Okay, is it clear? The plot of a work contains beginning, comma, middle and end. Is it clear? So in every plot you will see beginning, middle and end, whether it is a story, a novel or drama. So you will, when you write a summary of any novel, drama or short story or story, you start with the beginning, then you go to middle and then you go to the end. You don't start in between, even if the story, novel or drama may have started in the middle of the things. Is it clear to you? What it means? Hello, have you understood what I am saying?
Yes.
Yes or not? All of you. I am not asking one or two students, okay? So everybody, if anybody hasn't understood, can put it in the chat box. Then I can try. If I come to know whether you have understood or not, then only I can say anything, no? Okay. So the plot of the literary work creates tragic or comic effect. It contains beginning, middle, and it also have unity of action. The plot of psychological novels is difficult to understand if stream of consciousness technique is used. Technique is used. Is it clear? How much it's one page or less than one page or more than one page of your A4 size book? Beginning spelling I have written wrong. None of you pointed out that I have written it wrong. It's beginning. Yes, is it one page or not?
Less than one page.
Less than one page, yes, okay. So, a plot of a literary work depends on the type of novel or drama is written. It also have main incidents leading to climax. Okay, so you sometimes say it can create surprise or suspense. Suspense. It can lead to surprise or suspense, or it can create a feeling of surprise or suspense. Don't write the word lead again and again. You can even say it can lead to surprise or suspense. It also shows the dilemma, conflict of the characters. Correct? Is it clear to you? It also shows the dilemma and conflict of the character. Should I raise this? Everybody had noted down? Yes, what happened? Not noted down. Written no? Everybody is written no? Hello? Haven't you written it? Yes. Do you want to say something, anybody? Yes. Should I raise this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So next is in dramatic plot, unity of time and place also plays very important role. You know, drama is performed on the stage, correct? So when you perform on the stage, you have to show according to the storyline. You have to show things on the stage. So whether it's day, whether it's night, whether it's afternoon, correct? It is to be shown. Then which place it is? It is Mumbai, England, America. That is to be shown, okay, through the stage setting. So in dramatic plot, unity of time and place also plays very important role. Okay. Okay, the plots of literary works can create some elements of discovery or reversal of events for the readers, which can surprise or shock the readers. Clear? What it means? Sometimes when you read the story, you think, when you read a novel, when you read a drama, you think how it will end. But sometimes you see that the story, novel or drama doesn't end as per your expectation, as per the reader's expectation. So there is some element of discovery or reversal of events which can surprise or shock you. Correct? No? Is it clear to you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? So when you watch Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, you may not have thought in the beginning that the producer directors are going to show Renuka Sahane's death and then marriage of Madhuri Dixit with Salman's brother, elder brother and all, and then the reversal of events that the dog will take the letter to Salman's brother, and then Salman's brother will come to know that they actually love each other and all. Okay, so this is how the reversal of events happen. Is it clear to you? Understood? So either it may surprise you, it may shock you. Correct? No? Is it clear to you? What is plot? How much? Now it's okay. One and it's more than one page, 1.5 page approximately, or not? Hello. How much is it now? I can give you more for plot as well, but then if you don't understand, then it. Yes, so it's one page. One page, okay. Do you want more? I can give you more. So whether the plot will end happily or unhappily depends on the writer's intention and purpose besides the arrangement of events in a literary work. Is it clear? So whether the writer will end the story, novel or drama on a happy note or on an unhappy note depends what is the writer's intention, in what is the writer's purpose behind writing that particular work. Okay, and how the writer arranges the events in a literary work. It can also decide the fate of the characters, the success or failure, etc. Is it clear? So, whether you will be succeeding, we come to know na through the from beginning till end when you read the story whether the characters are successful or they have received failure in whatever they wanted to do. Okay, so the plot ends happily or unhappily depends on writer's intention and purpose, because writer is the creator of the destiny of the characters, correct? So whether it will end happily or not end happily depends on writer's intention and purpose, besides the arrangements of events in a literary work. It also decides the fate of the characters, the success and failure, etc. Okay, so whether the characters will be successful or will be failing in their actions, in their behavior, in their activities depends on the writer's intention and purpose, how he decides the end of the plot. Is it clear to you? Hello? The tragic plot is different from comic plot and also from the tragicomic plot. Okay, so the plot of a work which ends happily is different from the plot which ends unhappily, and also from the plot which ends happily or unhappily together. If it has subplot, it may show that the story of one family is happening endily and the story of another family is happening unendily. Okay, if it has double plot, then also it can have that one family story is happening, one set of characters story is happening ending happily, and another story is happening ending unhappily. Okay, so differs from comic plot as well as from tragic plot. Is it clear? Hello, is it enough or should I give more?
No, ma'am, it's enough.
Enough? Should I erase this? Every one of you have written this much. Hello, I'm asking you something. Every one of you have written this. Should I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Okay.
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है ना, इसके लिए नहीं हो रहा है बराबर.
क्या नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है?
हाँ, किसी किसी का है तो बराबर आवाज नहीं जा रहा है.
नहीं नहीं, it's okay. Even if you write in the chat box, even if 1-2 student give me reply will be
Yeah,
enough. Okay, everyone need not reply. But
yeah.
what my concern is whether all of you are understanding it or not. I need to know now. See, in physical classroom, when I am teaching you face to face, I can see your facial expressions and understand many things. But when we are in virtual classroom, I can't see you all. I need to know whether you are understanding or not. That's important. Na? See, I complete the whole syllabus and you don't understand anything. Is not. And I need to satisfy you as students, na? Whatever I am teaching, correct?
Yeah.
So my concern is that everybody has noted down, no? Should I erase it now? Correct?
Yeah, ma'am.
So all of you are so lovely students of mine. I know. Okay, so the plot is over now. So when you read a novel, when you read a story, you suppose somebody asks you that, suppose you tell somebody, I have read this novel, I liked it very much. Somebody says, okay, tell me the story of the novel or the drama. So you are not going to tell the way the writer has written it, whether it's drama or novel, correct? You tell it in your own way, correct, in a sequential order. You arrange the events in your own way. That is known as plot. Is it clear to you what is plot in reality? When you watch a movie, you tell your friend or somebody in the family that I have watched this movie, I liked it very much, or to relative or somebody. You say, okay, tell the story. You don't tell the way the film starts and ends. You create your own story, in the sense you create beginning, middle and end. So that is known as plot. Plot is not the way novel, short story or drama starts and ends. Is it clear? What is plot to every one of you? Now we come to next. Next is character. So what is a character? What do you understand by character? All of you see character. What is character? Eh? Nobody knows what is character.
The people whom around the story revolves.
Anybody else will say anything else?
A person who play a role in movies, like
Okay.
anything, novel.
Okay. Character means any person in any artwork, है ना? Is character, correct? If you are performing on a stage, you are playing a role, you become character. If you are performing in a movie, you become a character. If you are singing a song, in that also you can show character. If you are performing on stage, dance, there also you can become a character, correct? Is it clear to you? Correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So a person who plays a significant, even plays a role in any artwork, including literature, correct? Suppose you draw a painting in which you show 2-3 people, okay, they are also character na in that painting, because the painting also tells you something, story, okay? So a person who plays a role in any artwork including literature is known as character. Correct? Character. Understood? The character role, character's role is decided through through action, behavior and dialogue, correct? No? Correct? So the character's role is decided through action, behavior and dialogue. The character can be primary okay means main or secondary okay that is secondary means you say ना ये main character है इसे side character है correct okay the character's role can be primary or secondary character's role can be primary or secondary okay side role बोलते हैं ना the chief character chief means main okay the main character is known as protagonist लिटरेरी लैंग्वेज में उसको प्रोटैगनिस्ट बोलते हैं ठीक है द चीफ मेन कैरेक्टर इज नोन एज प्रोटैगनिस्ट हीरो और हेरोइन ऑफ द वर्क इज इट क्लियर अंडरस्टूड the villain in the work is known as antagonist you understand ना villain कौन होता है
Yes, ma'am.
rival character of hero or heroine rival of hero or heroine okay protagonist is known as antagonist or villain okay is it clear the characters in any literary work the characters in any literary work decide the plot of that work besides the author okay so character also play very significant role as far as plot is concerned okay then the character can be divided into two types mainly. Every one of you have noted down this much. Can I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. So the character can be of two types. One is flat, flat, F-L-A-T, flat, and another is dynamic. Okay. The character can be flat and dynamic means what? The flat character is also known as type, T-Y-P-E, type, or non-dynamic or stable, who remains same throughout. Doesn't change at all. While the dynamic character is also known as round character and changes in the course of the story. Is it clear to you? I will give you example next time because now you will be having more lectures, no? Next lecture, so you will be late for the next lecture. Okay, so you have written down this much,
Yeah, ma'am.
so I can end the meeting. Can I end the meeting? I mean,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay, you will be having next lecture as well, no? In the same room or in different room? It's in different room. Okay, so I'm ending the meeting for all.
Yes, ma'am.
How many participants are there?
18.
हाँ
23 से डायरेक्ट 18.
23 थे बिगनिंग में ना.
हाँ 23 24.
हाँ वैसे इतने कम क्यों है आज? नवरात्रि सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं.
हाँ डे में ही अभी आफ्टरनून में नवरात्रि सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं अभी.
कर सकते हैं ना?
हाँ वो भी है.
नहीं कर सकते.
टैलेंट रहेगा जिसमें वो कर सकते हैं.
Okay, I'm ending the meeting for all. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Bye bye. Enjoy your day and enjoy
Yeah.
your